Hello, future homeowners. Join me and let's have a virtual tour here in the biggest unit in Amaresa, Marilao. Alexandria Unit is a single detached house and lot with 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, with spacious attic and balcony, and our Alexandria unit is mostly located on the corner lots. So now we are here on the ground floor. You can see here our living, dining, and kitchen area. Turnover of this unit is fully finished. Also located here on the ground floor is our 2 bedrooms. This is the first room. You can use this as helper's room, stock room, or pantry room. And then we also have here our second room, and you can use this as a bedroom for our senior citizens. And also we have here our 1 toilet and bath with complete fixtures like shower, bowl, and lavatory, painted walls, and with designs. So now we are now approaching our second floor. Here on the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So here on the first room, you can put here double, queen up to king size bed. And then this is our second room. You can put here single, double up to queen size bed. And then this is our common toilet and bath with complete fixtures. And then we're now going to our master's bedroom. Very spacious and has own toilet and bath. Our toilet and bath has also complete fixtures with shower, faucet, bowl, lavatory, painted walls, and designed walls. Now we're going to our spacious balcony. Here in our balcony, we can do our family gatherings or a simple family get-together. So now we're going to our attic. Our attic here in Alexandria unit is also considered as a third floor. You can use this as your office room, a family room, or you can also make this as a bedroom. For future homeowners, if you are interested, you can contact us now, and our phase 3 is officially open for sale. Again, this is Anna, your trusted real estate salesperson.